5 tips for preventing acne.
One. Keep your face clean. Whether or not you have acne, it's important to wash your face twice daily to remove impurities, dead skin cells, and extra oil from your skin's surface. Washing more often than twice daily is not necessarily better, it may do more harm than good. Use warm, not hot, water and a mild facial cleanser. Using a harsh soap, like deodorant body soap, can hurt the already inflamed skin and cause more irritation. Avoid scrubbing your skin harshly with a washcloth, an exfoliating glove, or loofah, a coarse textured sponge. Gently wash it with a very soft cloth or your hands. Always rinse well, and then dry your face with a clean towel. Toss the towel in the laundry hamper, as dirty towels spread bacteria. Also, use the washcloth only once. 2. Moisturize. Many acne products contain ingredients that dry the skin, so always use a moisturizer that minimizes dryness and skin peeling. Look for non-comedogenic on the label, which means it should not cause acne. There are moisturizers made for oily, dry, or combination skin. Three. Try an over-the-counter acne product. These acne products don't need a prescription. Most of them have ingredients such as benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or lactic acid, which curb bacteria and dry your skin. They may cause drying or peeling, so start with a small amount at first. Then you can adjust how much you use and how often. Another option is a new OTC topical retinoid gel. It works to actually keep the acne from forming. Use these products with caution if you have sensitive skin. Four. Use makeup sparingly. During a breakout, avoid wearing foundation, powder, or blush. If you do wear makeup, wash it off at the end of the day. If possible, choose oil-free cosmetics without added dyes and chemicals. Choose makeup that is labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning it should not cause acne. Read the ingredients list on the product label before buying. Five. Watch what you put on your hair. Avoid using fragrances, oils, pomades, or gels on your hair. If they get on your face, they can block your skin's pores and irritate your skin. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Oily hair can add to the oil on your face, so wash your hair often, especially if you're breaking out. Got long hair? Keep it pulled away from your face.
Let's talk about the solution.
We have researched on the pimples and found some most effective solution for you. We are going to discuss the in number. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, 2.5 fluid ounces. Thermale Avène Skin Recovery Cream, 1.69 fluid ounces. EltaMD PM Therapy Facial Moisturizer, 1.7 ounces. Obagi Hydrate Facial Moisturizer, 1.7 ounces. Obagi Sun Shield Matte Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen, 3 ounces.